Hey friends, I'm Chef Wainaina. Today I'm sharing a very simple recipe of lemon, thyme and garlic chicken drumsticks, a dish that pairs very well with some potato wedges, sweet potato wedges or any finger food, and it's a dish that you and your family will definitely enjoy. So the recipe is very straightforward. I have about 6 pounds of chicken drumsticks here. I'm going to put this aside. And then the first things first, we are going to make a marinade from some fresh thyme, some rosemary, some lemons, some garlic, salt and pepper. And then I'm also going to do just a little bit of olive oil. So put this aside. First, I'm going to pick the thyme. All you need to do is just pull from one end. I'm going to reserve those stems. Thyme done. Pile it, and then I'm going to pull the rosemary. Take a knife and chop this. That looks good. With one lemon, I'm going to take out some zest. The reason I zested on the board is because I want to reserve some of this to garnish our chicken once it's done. So I'll put that aside. And then I'm going to pick this into this small bowl. Put it aside. I'm going to take some fresh garlic here. If your cloves are big, use about 6 of them. These are small ones. Crack the garlic. It's always very easy to peel it. All garlic peeled. Bring the garlic together and just mince it. If you have a garlic press, this is a good, you can use it at this step, or you can also use a processor if you have one, but this works. You need a good amount of garlic. Once the garlic is minced, transfer it to the bowl. Into this bowl, I'm going to add some black pepper, some salt. I'm going to add a touch of red pepper flakes. I'm going to add like a 1/4 cup of olive oil. And then cut the lemon. Take the lemon and squeeze the juice. The other half. Just with a spoon, mix everything together. Actually, the marinade part, this one you can even do this a day ahead. And then I'm going to put this aside. That is nice. That looks delicious already. So next, take the chicken drumsticks. This is about 6 pounds. I love to make big batches of these. You can definitely use skinless. I love the skin. They'll be nice and crispy. So take the chicken. Then I'm going to take this marinade, pour it over the chicken. I'm going to take tongs here. You can actually use your hands. Mix everything. Make sure that all the drumsticks are coated with the marinade. And then I'm going to have this marinade for about an hour. The longer you marinate this, even the better. So this one you can do the night before, have it marinate in the fridge, and then the following day all you're going to do is just put them in the oven. I'm going to preset the oven at 375 Meanwhile, I'm going to cover this marinade for about an hour or so. I'll clean this cutting board. Our cutting board is nice and clean. I have 3 sweet potatoes here. So what I'm going to do with this, I'll need to cut them into wedges. This will go very well with our chicken. So just take the sweet potatoes. You can use potatoes here. Cut them into 6 pieces. Nice wedges. Put them back into the bowl. So for the sweet potatoes, all I need to do is salt them, black pepper, drizzle some of this olive oil, I'll take a sprig of thyme. This will give it very nice flavors. And toast this together. Awesome. I will take a sheet pan here and then lay them on the sheet pan. This will go into a 350 degrees oven and bake until they are nice and soft. This will go very well with the chicken. You can definitely line your sheet pan with the foil paper if you wish. It helps with the cleanup. So our chicken has been marinating for about an hour. I have a sheet pan here with a wire rack. So I'm going to lay this chicken right on top here. Just like so. Just discard this, and then I'm going to season this with some more salt and pepper. This will go into our preheated oven with our sweet potatoes already going in there. So this goes in. This takes about 30 minutes to bake. Our lemon, garlic, thyme chicken drumsticks have been baking for about 30 minutes or so, and it's all done together with the sweet potatoes. Just have a look at those delicious crispy drumsticks. Time to enjoy this. Garnish with some of these fresh herbs. Serve with some lemons. So there you have it, friends. Can't wait to taste this delicious lemon thyme and garlic chicken. Gonna take one here, some of these sweet potatoes. I don't even need a fork and a knife here. Just give this a taste. Give this one more bite here. Some of the sweet potatoes again. So there you have it, friends, a quick and easy lemon, garlic and thyme chicken drumsticks, a dish that you can make, of course, any day of the week. It's very delicious. You are going to enjoy it. I hope this is a recipe that you can try in your own kitchen. You can substitute the drumsticks for chicken thighs or the legs or any part of the chicken for that matter. The sweet potato wedges, you can do potatoes, and you have a delicious recipe right there. So thank you so much for watching. Just remember to comment, subscribe to my channel if you have not yet done so, and give me a like, and leave your comment down below. I will see you soon. Thank you so much.